when you like, okay, I can't. Okay, this shows it is recording.
Yeah, I have started recording the session.
Mm-hmm.
So I will first record this session on my computer and then I will upload the recording on the YouTube.
Okay, because I just got a message. Okay,
Yes,
no
yes.
problem. Yeah, so I mean, the half sari, when we tuck it in, that's kashta.
Kashta,
And the
yes.
rest is, a little modern version of
Modern
kashta.
version,
I mean,
yes.
yeah. So
Actually,
I mean,
nowadays,
this is,
no one wants to wear it with the proper blouse, but it's a mix and match and
that's
a kurti over the sari.
that's
Yeah,
true.
ऐसे तो ये सब mix
But I
and
think
match
it's
ही
fun.
ज़्यादा. Yeah.
It's fun, and लोग कर रहे हैं वो अपने आप में बहुत बड़ी बात है.
हाँ.
Because
Right.
because that's how they can wear saris in different styles.
In
And
different styles.
that's actually really one of the most sustainable things one can actually do.
Actually.
Yeah.
And if you are wearing it in new style every time, even you feel that you are wearing something new.
Something new,
So
exactly.
that's the feeling actually.
Yeah, and people spend so much of money on those designer gowns. I mean, I've nothing against that. I am, myself as a designer, but I always feel that why do you want to spend so much on that one, really page 3 look,
Right.
gown? Why not wear a sari in such a way that, I mean, you can, sari is like nothing but a, straight garment.
Yes.
So, I mean, there's a lot you can do with that. And I
Right.
always, like push people and encourage
Yes.
people to wear saris in different styles. And that's the
Different
reason why,
styles.
yeah, I mean, people usually demand also for draping sessions. So, yeah,
Yes.
I'm like more than happy to teach.
Yes. That is why, because I have seen your passion while
Yeah.
talking and while following your group. That is why I've chose you today to come and show your talent to my followers and teacher. Yeah.
Oh, that's so sweet. Thank you.
Right. So I think let me go live first, and after that we will
I think.
start. Yeah. So let me
Okay.
prepare for live first. Yeah. So we are live on Facebook.
Perfect.
Yeah. So good afternoon, everyone.
Very good afternoon, Sheetal.
Yeah. So welcome to Bijam. And we
Thank
are
you so
celebrating our first anniversary of Bijam. We have founded Bijam on 5th of June 2020, and we are celebrating a month-long anniversary celebration this year from 5th June to 5th July. And we have planned a series of workshops for our followers. Four workshops were designed for females, for ladies, and 4 workshops for kids special that are conducted on noon on Sunday. And this is the last workshop of the series. This workshop is very special and it's very near to my heart actually, because I myself a firm believer of slow fashion, and I follow slow fashion and sustainable fashion. And when I met Neha on her group before, I think 4 or 5 months, and from that time only, I was just expecting that Neha will come to our page and show her slow and sustainable fashion practices to my followers. And
how sweet.
and this anniversary celebration will not be actually complete without your session, Neha, I must say. So this is the last but
Thank
not
you.
the least
Thank
in
you
our
so much.
ladies special session of anniversary celebration of Bijam. So this is the last workshop, and definitely we will have our workshop in future, but this is the last of this series. So let us welcome Neha. Yeah, let me just spotlight you.
Thank you.
Yeah. So let us welcome Neha. Neha is she has joined us today from UAE. She's not from India, but Dubai, UAE. And Neha is actually a fashion designer by profession, and she's the fashionista and believer in slow fashion. And she is the co-founder of 3S Group, Facebook group, that is Slow and Sustainable Fashion Stories. If you are interested in slow and sustainable fashion stories, then you must join her group, because they are having a lot of activities for the sustainable fashion, new styles of wearing saris, and so much of fun in their group. So if you are interested, you can definitely join the group of 3S. So let once again welcome Neha, and it's over to Neha.
Thank you so much.
If you want to introduce a little more about yourself, Neha, you are free to speak, and after that we will start our session. So it's over to Neha. Let me spotlight you once again.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Sheetal. Yeah. Thank you so very much. Well, first of all, congratulations to you for successful completion of 1 year. And I must say, you are doing a great job. Can you hear me, Sheetal?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay. So,
Neha, you need to unmute yourself, because I've muted everyone. Yeah, please once do it. Yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah, fine.
All right. So I think I'm audible now.
Just a moment. If you have any queries, you can ask in chat box. And after at the end, we will just open the session if you want to ask anything personally to Neha. But before that, if you want to ask anything, just write in the chat box. I'll just convey your message or question to Neha. Okay. Yeah. Neha, please continue.
All right.
Yeah.
So should I say it again, what I said earlier?
Because yeah, actually, yes, you were on mute.
No Please. Problem. Well, a very warm welcome, everyone. And first of all, thank you so much, Sheetal, for having me on Bijam. And congratulations to you on successful completion of 1 year. You are doing a great job. I do follow your page, and I keep seeing the kind of people you invite and the kind of work you are doing for the environment. It's amazing, and keep up the good work.
Yeah.
Well, about me, I think you have already introduced me. I don't really need to. But I'll just talk a bit about myself and about slow fashion. Am I audible?
Yes, Neha.
All right. Okay. So my name is Neha Sharma. I'm a fashion designer by profession. I live in UAE from last 6 years, 7 years almost now. And I run a small group on Facebook. It's called 3S. 3S, yes. Sustainable Slow Fashion Stories. The whole purpose behind having this group was to, educate people, not exactly educate, but, to exchange our ideas on slow fashion. And, the group is not just about teaching and learning. It's a fun group, actually. It's a feel good group. And of course, we talk a lot about slow fashion, because the whole idea of slow fashion has been invested in that group. I'm actually the co-founder. This group, actually, the whole idea of this group was of my friend. Her name is Sumit, and she's the one who came up with this Facebook group idea. And that's how we built this group together. It's been more than a year. And so far the journey is good, and it's a wonderful platform to meet people like Sheetal as well. Where
Thank you,
like-minded
yes.
people meet, and something
Yes.
good always comes out of it.
Always, always.
So
So
yeah.
I wanted to, Neha, I wanted to know about some, so what is slow fashion? Because nowadays, actually, people are talking about slow and sustainable fashion, but nobody actually knows what is slow fashion. So can you just elaborate what do you mean by it?
Yes. Well, it's very difficult to to give a definition to slow fashion, if you ask me personally,
Right,
because there is no definition for slow fashion,
right.
but it's very easy to understand. The opposite of fast is
Slow.
slow. So
Yes,
opposite of fast fashion is slow fashion.
right,
Basically, you remember when we were younger, we used to buy only 2 or 3 clothes in whole year.
right.
Uh, can you hear me?
Yeah, it's fine.
Yeah. So remember when we were younger, we used to buy only 2 or 3 garments in one year,
Yes,
right? It
yes.
was Holi, Diwali, and birthday. That's it.
Birthdays, yes, yes.
And
That was our
I,
childhood, actually. That was our childhood.
exactly, that was
Yes,
our childhood. But as we, grew older, the tsunami of slow fashion and tsunami of all these, like every week there was a new fashion, and every week we go to the mall and pick something new, and all those things are such cheap products. And because they are so cheap, we are automatically tempted to buy those stuff,
right,
isn't
yes,
it?
yes.
So
Very true.
and when this whole culture of fast fashion started, we all got so excited that now the things are so affordable and they're so cheap, and why should I have like just 3 garments in a year? I can
Yes,
have 30, I can have
yes,
300. But
yes,
what is happening? Most of the garments what we buy, we hardly wear them. We wear them once or
yes,
twice and we throw them. Ultimately, it goes to the landfills. And
yes,
that is just one part of it. I mean, the whole life cycle of a garment, right from which material it has been made from, whether it's cotton, it's silk, it's hemp, it's synthetic, that is one part of it. How it has been dyed, how it has been manufactured, the whole life cycle of the garment, the workers who are making those garments, what kind of a treatment they receive from their factory managers, whether they had been paid fair wages or not, why those garments are so cheap. Because somewhere is paying, somewhere someone is paying for that garment. Of course,
yes,
we are not paying that amount, but sometimes the cost of that t-shirt, which is like $10 or $8, it is way more than that. It
yes,
actually costs someone a life.
yes.
So many people, if you remember, I don't know if many people know about it, but if you must have heard about Rana Plaza accident.
Yeah,
It happened on 24th April 2013. That
yes,
was the eye opener.
yes,
So, I mean, a building collapsed. More than 1,100 people died. More than 2,500 people got injured. And who were they? They were all factory workers making
factory.
garments from
Right.
all over, for all the big brands. So
Yes,
no one should die for fashion.
fashion,
That's
of
what people
course.
need to understand. So of course, I mean, I'm just telling you, bits and pieces. It's a very
Yes.
broad subject
Yes,
actually,
yes, of course.
but the
I
whole
must
life
say
cycle.
yes.
Yeah,
It's a
it's a
very
whole
broad
life.
subject,
It's
but
a very broad subject.
but we can just make them understand that slow fashion आप उसको भी बोल
Exactly.
सकते हैं कि जो fast नहीं है, और
जो
दूसरी बात
fast
है कि
नहीं है.
एक ही चीज को आप बार बार यूज कर सके, उसको भी हम slow fashion
Definitely.
बोल सकते हैं.
देखिए,
And
slow
yeah,
fashion, I'll give you one example. I mean,
yeah,
how, we need to understand what we have and how we can use it wisely. I'll just show you one example. I've kept this dress ready for you all.
right.
I think this is visible, right?
Yes,
So
yes,
we
it's
all
quite visible.
have that, yeah. We all have that one, 3/4 dress, or one, black dress is like everyone's favorite,
Yes,
right?
yes.
So
It's
we
a
all have this. It's a
must have in
never
everyone's wardrobe. Yes.
exactly. So
Yeah.
this dress, I kept it ready. You can wear it like this, just with a statement necklace or something. This is one way of wearing it, right?
Right.
You add a jacket to it, a long jacket like this. That is another way of wearing it,
Yes.
correct? You add a, you remove the jacket, You add a statement stole to it. I mean, you don't need a necklace then. Your another
Yeah.
look is ready, correct?
Yes.
You remove this one. You add a belt to it. Okay. You can
Yes.
just, I mean, of course, this is a body form, so you won't get the real look, but you can
Yes.
at least get an idea.
Yes.
The
Yes,
moment you add a
definitely.
belt, the new look is created.
Yes.
With such simple things, you can, just one dress and your so many looks are ready.
Yes.
See, this is a boho style look is ready
Yes.
for you. Now you can, a black always goes really well with mustard and, like really contrasting colors. And black is such a neutral color.
That
Uh,
everything goes with black.
Everything goes with it.
Yes.
You can just play around with your stole.
Yes.
It depends how do you drape it? It will just add a little, a
Wow.
little different.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Yes.
So, something like this can be done. And, you can use that one black dress in so many ways. So this is just one example I wanted to show you. Now, if we talk about slow fashion, of course, repeating your clothes with pride, restyling them, refashion them the way I just showed with that black dress is one part of it.
Right.
People need to people need to start having a capsule wardrobe.
Yes.
Usually people ask me what exactly is a capsule wardrobe.
Capsule, actually, I want to know what is capsule wardrobe.
Actually, to be really honest, okay, so I just showed you the black dress, right?
Yes.
So this jacket, which I showed you earlier, on that black dress, this jacket is actually a part of a kurta. There's a long kurta, which came along with this jacket.
Right.
Okay, so I'm using this jacket, and I'm not using that kurta. I'll be mixing and matching that kurta with something else,
Right.
and then I'll be whatever you have in your wardrobe, you should start taking challenges like, let's say you have 10 garments. Okay, try to create 10 different looks out of it, and try to just mix and match. So that's actually the real definition of capsule
Slow.
wardrobe. And trust
Okay.
me, it makes your life very easy.
Easy.
And you are sorted, especially when you're working. These are only 10 garments I'm going to wear for another 30 days. Trust me, it is possible. I have done it, and it is fun. And that is the real definition of capsule wardrobe.
Okay.
So slow fashion is basically about buying less but
Yeah.
buying better.
Better.
It's always good to research about a brand before buying from any XYZ brand. There are a few certifications you can look for. I've just jotted down few names for you. So it's like fair trade certification. Whenever you are like researching about a brand, whether it is sustainable or not, whether they pay fair wages to their workers or not. These are the certifications you can look for. Global Organic Textile Standards, whether they have that certification. Global Recycled Standard, World Fair Trade Organization, Fair Trade certification. So these, and very important, Certified B Corporation. These are the certifications you need to look for, when you are searching for a brand. And that way, I mean, of course, it's a long process, but trust me, it's worth it.
Right.
There is another very important part of slow fashion, and that is DIY, which is do it yourself.
Right.
And every time you are ready to discard a particular garment or bags or shoes or accessories, you need to think about it, what else you can do. I'll show you one example. Okay, so this is one kurta of mine. I'm not showing you the whole kurta.
Right.
This is a kurta of mine. Okay, so I gave it to my tailor for stitching, and whatever small chindis were left, my tailor is my best friend, and I always tell everyone to make your tailor your best
Your
friend.
best friend. Okay, right.
Yes,
right.
always take the chindis back. Sometimes you can even steal those chindis which are lying here and there in the tailor shop.
Okay.
So I do that. I'm a big thief.
Yes, yes.
So he gave me the chindi back. Okay, and this is what I did with those chindis.
Oh my God.
This is the back side of, this is the front side. It's a plain kurta. This is the back side of my kurta.
Oh.
So I did this patchwork.
Wow. It's looking so beautiful and so unique because you have made it on your own out of chindi.
Exactly.
So no one else can
out
make
of chindis.
Yes.
And this
so
is
this can be your boutique dress. This can be your boutique dress then. Yes.
And this is like no one can copy it because they have to find this fabric which is in my wardrobe.
Yes.
So this is how you need to. Thank you so much. This is how you need to practice slow fashion.
Yes.
I mean, as I said earlier, there is no definition for practicing slow fashion. But another example, this is another jacket of mine. Okay, so this is the front side of the jacket, and on the back side, this was again, I stitched a top, and I was left with this fabric, the silk fabric. So I embroidered it myself.
Okay.
And you can see it's not a very elaborate embroidery.
No,
I have just done
simple,
a simple
embroidery. Yes.
Yeah, it's a very simple work, but see how it has transformed my whole jacket, the back side of my jacket, right? So these are like small little ways of practicing slow fashion.
Right.
I'll tell you one more example. This is again a small top of mine. I usually wear it with my saris.
Yes, I've seen one of your picture with the mustard sari. You were looking beautiful in that. Yes.
How sweet. So again, my tailor is my best friend. And he gives me all the chindis. Now he has started giving me chindis of other people as well.
Okay.
So as you can see, blue wala fabric.
Yeah.
This was like bach gaya tha. So obviously he gave it to me. And this is what I did with the leftover fabric. I made these tassels. It's a very beautiful dupatta. It's a kalamkari. It's a hand kalamkari. It's done with natural colors and sometimes when you buy online, sometimes you don't see ke niche tassels hai ki nahi hai. And this was one of those kurta jisme tassels nahi the. So I added these tassels and at the hem, I just use the leftover fabric to do the patchwork.
Wow.
Can you see?
Yes, I can see, Neha.
Right?
So it's
and ये भी जो tassels बनाए हैं, ये भी आप देखो, ये बची हुई एक टूटी हुई माला थी.
अच्छा.
This is not real Rudraksh, but Rudraksh की टूटी हुई माला थी. So I use that.
Okay. Wow. Wonderful idea. Actually, one needs to be creative with the things. And imagination, your imagination will work actually.
Yeah, it does. But, even these live sessions can always give you a lot of ideas. And of course, there are a number of ideas on YouTube as well. But I mean, when you are in touch with people like you and me, you will get a lot of ideas. And especially on our group, trust me, every time I post these kind of pictures and, people come up with a better idea. It's amazing. I mean, I learn more than, I share my idea.
Yeah.
Then again, this is again a hem of my dupatta. This was a broken necklace.
Okay.
Yeah. So
I just added throwing a single bead even, I think, Neha.
Definitely not.
And, yes.
And trust me, ये जो necklace था, this broken necklace, इसका ये pendant है.
Okay.
I didn't even throw the pendant, and in fact, I did macrame. This is done. This is done from the sutli you call, right?
Sutli, jute rope.
Yeah, jute rope. Yes, exactly. Yes. So I use the pendant, and iske jo moti the, I use that. So using that dupatta. So this is how you can. Plus, I would like to show you a few more. One of my friend calls it a chindi project. So,
your friend is actually calling you chindi chor. Sumit is calling you chindi chor on FB Live.
Oh yeah, she can do that. Trust me, she's evil.
Right.
Okay, Sumit, I'm going to take credit for 3 years then.
Yes. Of course you should take.
No, it was her idea.
Right.
Anyway, see, again made up from chindi.
Okay.
It's a necklace. You can, it looks amazing when of course, when you are not wearing another necklace.
Yes.
And you can always reuse it. you know, like this, like on a jute bag, like a tussle.
Okay. Right.
You know, it looks, uh, you just have to think out of the box.
Yes,
See,
yes. You need to think out of the
people
box.
pay for these tassels. I mean, you
Yes.
don't really need to pay. You can make it yourself.
Yes.
I'll show you a few more examples, like which are, most of my ideas are like something which we can use. You know,
Yes.
I don't really believe in, making paintings and
Yeah. So
and,
actually, it
just,
depends on individual. Yeah, yeah. And you are
that's true.
passionate about the slow fashion.
Yes, I have nothing against those who make paintings, but
Yeah.
my point is, when it comes to slow fashion, you're talking about accessories. Fashion may it is not just about garments. It is about accessories. It is about
Yes.
handbags. It is about everything. But what else you can create out of it? So again, with the leftover fabric, I made this toran.
Okay.
The necklace I just showed
We
you.
pay a huge amount every Diwali for the new Toran, new Bandhanwar.
Exactly.
Yes, yes,
Exactly. You don't need to. And this you will never throw because you
yes.
made it yourself. And
Of
trust me, when I
course.
posted this idea on 3S, somebody came up with a better idea and they posted a better tour. And I was so jealous and very happy at the same time.
Right, right.
So, you can come up with so many ideas. I mean, all
Yes,
you
of
you have
course.
to do is again leftover fabric. This
Yeah.
I don't know what we call it in Gujarati, but in Gujarat we get a lot of these with
Yes, yes.
toran. We get
With
these
Toran,
side
yes,
door.
yes. We
Yeah,
we
na?
used to
Yeah.
hang Toran on the door, and on the sides of the door, we used to
Yes,
hang these pieces.
that's
Yes.
true. And
Yeah.
again, I want to show you even a small chindi shouldn't get wasted, as chindi chor people call me. Can you
Okay.
see? I've made these small little tiles. It's a necklace.
Yeah. So have you
It's a
ever
necklace.
taught all these pieces, Neha, on your
Yeah, of
channel or
course.
in your videos?
Yes, many times, many
Okay, okay,
times. So, those who really want to learn all this, most of the things are there on 3S. So
okay.
people are requested to join 3S. So
Join
now
3S,
just see,
yes.
even chota sa fabric also doesn't get wasted.
Yes.
You just have to be a little mindful कि
Mindful.
क्या कर सकते हैं, and you'll come up with something. Again, एक blouse का fabric बचा था, and I created a belt out of it,
Okay. Wow.
and it is reversible.
Yeah, very innovative.
So
Yes, yes.
thank you so much. Now I'm going to show you some of the macrame.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'll start with my Chindi Chor friend only.
Yeah.
We had a workshop. So my very dear friend Sumit, she made this. This is macrame,
Okay.
and we are going to make something like this. And this
Okay.
looks amazing when you wear it.
Right.
Can you see? I'll
So
show
you
you
can
some
use
more.
macrame like in the things, in the art pieces, as well as in the jewelry.
Definitely.
Yes.
This is my take on macrame. I always think from fashion point of view. And it is
Yes.
again, even what Sumit has made, she used an old kurta.
Okay.
It was an old kurta and she just cut it. And, of course, I instructed her how to make it and she made it. Then there's another friend of mine. Her name is Honey. She made this was completely sustainable because this was a धोती जो कि फट गई थी बहुत बुरी तरीके से. I mean, उसको फेंकने के अलावा और कुछ नहीं कर सकते थे हम. And we made this out of it.
Okay.
We added same broken Rudraksh जो मैंने आपको दिखाया मेरे पास बचे हुए थे.
Right.
And again, similar kind of a necklace. Honey made it.
Wow. Such an innovative idea, I must say.
Thank you.
Because
Thank you.
see, because in Gujarati, even we used to wear all this kind of stuff during our Garba and
Yes.
and Dandiya functions.
That's
because
true.
we always use this traditional and the old pieces. So this is
That's
a very,
true.
very nice idea to make something out of its.
And I have lived in Gujarat for 6 years.
Okay,
so
then you must know. Yes, yes.
Yeah,
definitely.
of course. Again, this is mere blouse ka again bacha hua tha fabric.
Okay.
So I did
so
macrame.
Once you know
I
the
added...
art of making macrame, then you can make how many pieces and whatever you want to like actually.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah. Definitely. Like I'll show you, there's one belt again made up from, leftover fabric.
Yes.
This was a dupatta of mine.
Okay.
So, well, after a while, you do get bored of things. I mean, it doesn't matter how strongly you believe in slow
Yes, yes,
fashion,
of course.
but this is how you can practice slow fashion. Even,
Sure.
okay, all of us are like, we are very fond of, every trend which is there, and, we all
Yes.
want to follow all of that. But after a while, you do wake up
Yes.
and you really want to, get back
And
to your
sometimes
roots.
what
And
happens, Neha, na, you want to follow slow fashion, but आपके family members है
exactly,
या फिर आपके अगल बगल में कोई है ना, तो वो लोग आपको पिंच करते हैं, फिर से वही पहना है, फिर से पुराना वाला पहना है, कभी कभी क्रिटिक्स
exactly.
होते हैं फैमिली में ही, तो इससे अच्छा है
Actually,
कि हम
बहुत
इससे
आसान
कुछ
है.
बना ले हम लोग.
एक्चुअली
Yeah.
बहुत आसान है. आई वांट, मेरा ऐसा मानना है, मैं हमेशा बोलती हूँ, आई वांट पीपल टू क्रिटिसाइज मी, बिकॉज द मोर यू क्रिटिसाइज मी, द मोर आई विल रिपीट माय क्लोथ्स. So,
Okay.
you should have that shamelessness.
Yes, yes, of course. Last year, what
and
we did, what we did, I had a talk show with our one group from Calcutta, and after that, we have just made a competition of sustainable fashion. That जितना पुराना पहनेंगे आप, तो नया पुराना before after की photograph आपको डालना है with
yes,
same
I
sari
remember.
or waist, same outfit, and we got a huge response for that. Because
I
everyone
remember.
wants to, yes,
I saw
yes,
that. I
everyone
remember
wants
that.
to
Yeah.
repeat their clothes, but only
Yes.
some you need to be little shameless about that, and I think you need to have some courage for that.
Yeah, but at the
Yeah.
same time, जैसे मैंने अभी आपको बताया, with that black dress, you can experiment so much.
Yeah.
Then with saris, like with this one sari, I can create at least 35, 40 different styles.
Different styles,
So if
right.
you have, if you have that passion, you will get there. So
Yeah.
it's not that difficult. And, trust me, people do follow you after a while.
And Meena Basu,
I mean, they might.
Meena Basu is telling us that I'm not ashamed of repeating my dress. I agree, मीना जी, but मुझे लगता है कि हमको सोशल मीडिया में अब ये पॉइंट आउट करके डालना चाहिए कि this
Yeah,
dress I'm
repeating.
wearing for 5th time or 10th time or 15th time.
That's true.
Because see,
That's
whenever
true.
we want to post our photographs in the social media, we want to wear a new dress. कि आज मैंने नया
That's
ड्रेस
true.
पहना है तो वो फोटोग्राफ में डालूंगी, बट हमको ये भी
That's
डालना
true.
चाहिए कि पुराना जब डालेंगे तब हम लिखेंगे this is I'm wearing for this much of
I
time.
know. This
Yes.
is high time. This
High
is
time.
high time
Actually,
for
it's
us.
high time. Yeah, yeah.
Now I'll show you one more thing, which is again a part of our plan, is Rakhi making.
Rakhi
Again,
making,
you
yes.
see
Yes.
this Rakhi बचे हुए fabric से बनाई हुई है.
Right.
ये
So
blouse का fabric था.
Wow.
And I created this Rakhi.
Very
And trust me, the story doesn't end here. I'll just show you what we can do once, okay, there's one more Rakhi, again with the same fabric.
right.
I used, even on the back side, I used a fabric.
Yes.
Okay. And ऐसा नहीं है कि ये upcycle राखी है, fabric से बनी हुई राखी है. So एक बार पहनने के बाद बच्चे फेंक देते हैं. There are few boys, they really save it, but sometimes they don't. So
Right.
what we can do, once this Rakhi has been like used. See, again, this was
Yes.
an old Rakhi. I added a pin, and this can work as a brooch.
Brooch, yes. Yeah.
So even an upcycled item, you have to think of,
how to
reusing,
Reuse
how
it,
to
yes.
reuse it. So I think on that note, we need to start macrame. I
Yes.
guess
Sure,
somebody
sure.
said we should do macrame. So
Macrame, yes.
I'll just do some arrangement so that we can do it.
And moreover,
hassle-free.
I think, moreover, you just arrange your stuff, Neha.
No,
issues
it's
about it.
already,
Yeah,
it's ready.
And
I
I
just
think
have
because
to-
what I personally think that you need to carry confidence, because the clothes will come on their own. Yes. If you are confident
That's
about
true.
yourself, whatever you are, or whichever stuff you are wearing, that will look
That's
good
true.
on you. Right.
That's absolutely correct.
Yes.
Chalo. So Abhi, we'll do something like this.
Yeah.
I forgot to show this necklace. This one I made for my Chindi friend. But now I'm thinking not to give it to her.
Right. Okay, fine.
So something like this. I'm not going to show you the whole necklace,
Okay.
but I'll just show you how to make these
Tie this
these
macrame,
knots.
yes.
Yeah,
knots.
ठीक है?
Okay.
So
fine.
for this I'll just, I think, yeah, this is visible, I believe.
Yes, it's visible, Neha.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
So हमें जब भी whenever, 1 second, just So whenever we are making a necklace, suppose ये हमको length चाहिए. This is the length we want,
Right.
right? So whatever is your desired length, उस लेंथ से थोड़ा सा बड़ा, मतलब 1-1.5 इंच आप एक्स्ट्रा रखो, बिकॉज आपको अगर आपने नेकलेस बनाना है तो at the edges you'll be folding them, because
Yes.
it has to be a neat work from the back
Yes.
side
To
as
finish up the work.
to finish it. Yeah.
Yes.
Because this is the front side of my necklace. Okay.
Right.
I'm just showing you the edges, and this is the back side. So it has to be neat. I mean, no one
Yes.
can see where this thread is coming from.
Right.
So it's always good to have 2 inches extra.
Yeah.
So whatever is your desired length, you
Yeah.
take उससे थोड़ा सा 2-3 इंच आप extra ले लो.
Right.
And then you have to have, basically we need 4 ropes like this.
Right.
1 second. Yeah. ये हमें 4 ropes चाहिए. So जो middle के जो 2 ropes हैं, these 2 in the middle, that's going to be my desired length.
Okay.
Are you getting it?
Yes.
Like, can you see? It's like there are 4 ropes here.
4, yeah.
1, 2, 3, and 4. So
Yes.
middle के जो 2 है, they are like the desired length I want. And
Right.
side के जो है, they are almost 3 to 4 times at least.
Okay.
Okay. It's very difficult for me to tell you that 3 times लेना है या 4 times लेना है,
Yeah.
because that completely depends कि आप कैसा fabric use कर रहे हो या
Use कर
कैसे आप thread use कर रहे हो. And ये fabric भी मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ. ये again, it was a very old fabric.
Right.
मैंने इसे stitch भी नहीं किया. I just ironed it like this
Okay.
and like this. Got it?
Okay.
मैंने
Yes.
4 बार इसे fold किया है,
Fold.
right?
It's a cotton fabric, right?
It's a cotton fabric. You can
Okay.
use any fabric.
Okay.
जैसे ये वाला मैंने बनाया था. This is a crepe silk. मेरे blouse
Okay.
का fabric है ये. So it's a crepe silk. ये I mentioned honey ने बनाया. This is, I think, this looks like cotton and synthetic mix.
Mix. Right.
Yeah, this again Sumit had made. This is again cotton and synthetic. Looks like mixed to me.
Right.
So there is like कोई ऐसा वो नहीं है कि cotton ही चाहिए. Okay.
Right.
So without wasting any time, we are going to start.
And
So
we were
have
telling
to,
about that nada thing. So can
हाँ, आप नाड़ा से भी बना सकते हो ना ये.
Okay.
Because see, this session is for slow fashion.
Yes.
And it's all about using your old fabric. As I said,
Yes.
salwar, kurta, जो मिला हमने सबको काट. There is somebody needs to unmute.
Yeah.
Mute themselves.
Mute themselves. Let me do it. ठीक है, सब तो म्यूट ही है इसमें.
It's okay. Anyway,
Okay.
कोई है, किसी का
Yeah.
बहुत strong है network. ठीक है, तो चलो we'll start now. ठीक है.
Yeah.
बीच में जो हमारे desired length है उसे हमने बीच में रख लिया है. And लंबे वाले धागे side में. So we'll start from this side.
Okay.
You can start from any side. So first step, you just have to keep it here.
Okay.
ये जो हमने पहला इधर वाला thread है, हमने ऐसे ये दोनों threads के ऊपर रखा.
Right.
Okay. फिर ये जो side वाला thread है, that will go above.
Okay.
Got it?
Yes.
So you can see a 4 बन रहा है.
Yes.
कुछ,
4.
right?
4.
And
Yes.
again, this thread, you can see it's above. Now this will go, दोनों के नीचे जाएगा.
Right.
Got it?
Yes.
And then इस loop से बाहर निकलेगा.
Right.
Okay.
Okay.
Now make sure you're holding middle वाले threads को आप hold करके, and then you are tying it.
Okay.
Okay. Because अभी मैं उल्टा कर रही हूँ. It
हाँ,
is difficult for me.
little
But
difficult
yeah,
for you. Yeah.
Yeah. But अगर मैं उस तरफ से बैठ के करूँगी तो आप लोग देख नहीं पाओगे.
Right.
So now this is our first knot. Now it's up to you how tight you want to do it.
Okay.
Don't make it too tight. Okay. This much is clear. Now
Yes.
पहले हमने यहाँ से start किया था. Now we'll start from here.
Okay.
Again.
So
like
you are
this.
showing the different one. Next one.
Yeah, but it's the same knot.
Okay.
We'll continue the same knot.
Okay.
पूरे process में यही knot होगा.
Right.
पहले right side से फिर left से.
Okay.
Got it? So now again, the one on the side goes over the top of the small 2 ones. Okay. And this one goes above. Got it? Okay.
Yes.
And then नीचे वाले से जाके और इस loop से निकलेगा.
Right.
All right. It looks overwhelming or complicated, but trust me, it's not.
It's not.
It's not. It's very easy. See, all you are doing is you are making a knot and you are tying the middle one together.
Yes.
Got it? I mean, ये
Yes.
साथ में हम इसके बांध रहे हैं. So it's just a tying technique. You want me to take it a little lower so that you can see it properly? Should I make it a little lower?
Yeah, you can do it, but
Okay,
it's
let me
fine.
just
No
try.
issues about it. Yeah, we can see it properly.
Is there anybody who's complaining that
No.
they cannot see?
Everyone,
Nobody yet.
everyone is enjoying and everyone is learning actually. So they are busy
Chalo.
learning.
I think
Yes.
this is
Yeah, this is
better
much
now.
better. Yes.
है ना? Much
Yeah,
better.
much
Chalo.
better.
One more time we'll do. ठीक है?
Yeah, yeah.
अभी ये वाला ऊपर लेके गए. Okay, clear? यहाँ तक?
Yeah.
It makes a loop kind of a thing. फिर ये जो side वाला था, इसको ऊपर रखा. It should go above.
Yeah.
Now it goes नीचे से.
Yeah.
And comes out of this loop.
Yeah.
है ना?
So Amrita is asking to repeat. She is repeating, Amrita. She is repeating
worry,
the knots.
I'll-
Yeah, she is repeating.
And you know people can always go back to the
Yes.
video and watch
Yeah.
it later.
You
Now
you-
I'll tell you one very
Hmm.
interesting thing here. Let's say you are making these knots and then you get a call or you have to go for take a loo break or something.
Okay.
और वापस आने के बाद आपको कैसे याद रहेगा कि अब right से करना था कि left से करना था?
Right.
That's actually a very big question.
Yes.
So can you see यहाँ पे ये एक तरफ उठा हुआ है. राइट
Yes,
दूसरी तरफ
yes.
नहीं है. सो जिस तरफ से उठा हुआ है ऑलवेज रिमेम्बर नेक्स्ट आपको उसी तरफ से करना है.
Wow. It's a great
This
tip
is-
actually. Actually, it's a great helping.
True. ठीक है. तो
Right.
अमृता आपके लिए देख लीजिए ये जो बीच वाले हैं जो हमारी डिजायर्ड लेंथ है वो एकदम अपनी जगह पे है उसको हम बिल्कुल छेड़ नहीं रहे हैं. ठीक है. ये लंबा वाला जो है साइड वाला हम ऊपर लेके गए. ओके. और ये वाला जो है लंबा वाला इसको हम यहाँ लेके आए इसके ऊपर. गॉट इट?
Yes.
राइट. एंड नाउ इन दोनों छोटे वाले के नीचे से लेके जाएंगे साइड में और फिर अंदर से ये लूप से निकाल लेंगे.
Wow.
ठीक है. And nicely you can just tie it. अभी मेरे पास इतने बड़े बीट्स नहीं हैं. अदरवाइज आपने अगर जिनको थोड़ा बहुत मैक्रेबे का आइडिया है या अगर आप YouTube वगैरह पे देखें तो दे कीप ऑन एडिंग बीट्स
Right.
आफ्टर
Right.
2-3 knots. बट ऑब्वियसली मेरे पास इतना मोटा बीट नहीं है जो इसके अंदर से गुजरे.
Right.
बट अगर आपके पास है यू कैन एड अ बीट and then once your beat is here then you can one second again.
Yeah, Rita
To do yours.
is saying that's so nice way of teaching. Yes, she's a very good
Oh.
teacher.
Thank you
Yeah.
so much. That is such a compliment.
Yes.
I love compliments.
Everyone loves Neha.
देते रहो. So I think should I just continue with 2-3 more knots or should we just switch to Rakhi making?
I think you just continue 2-3 more knots.
Continue?
If
Okay.
if anyone has any complication
ठीक
or difficulty, they will just sort it out with that.
ठीक है, no problem.
Yeah,
I'll just
yeah.
continue.
Yeah.
Because I want to show 2 more kind of knots. That's why I
Okay.
asked.
Okay.
This is just one style I'm showing you.
Okay.
This is, I mean, these were the knots I have used in those necklaces.
Okay.
So I really want to see. Now you can see the knots. They are same.
Yes.
Have a closer look, right?
Yes. Yeah. Yes.
So now you can continue this and then you can have your own necklace like this.
Okay. So you have attached those pieces while making the knots?
No.
Okay.
This was again from a broken necklace,
Okay.
a very old, very, very old. I mean, you can see how old these coins are.
Yes. Yes.
So, and then फिर I thought, so मुझके लिए तो बनाना है तो I was like, कोई
Okay.
नहीं.
So you have made, yes. So you have made it stretched afterwards. Once you make the necklace.
Yes.
Okay.
Even this one. I mean, all these necklaces, the one Honey made. Oops. ये भी बनाने के बाद हमने इसको स्टिच करा है
Stitch किया
हाथ
है.
से.
Right.
हाथ से. We have done it.
Fine.
This is all handwork. इसमें कहीं भी machine use नहीं हुआ है.
Right.
This
right.
is बनाने के बाद, because see, I mean the loops are so small. Can you see? आप
Yes.
नहीं घुसा सकते ना फैब्रिक पे, आपको उसको स्टिच ही
Right.
करना पड़ेगा.
Right.
So, चलो, I'll do it one
No,
or two
it's
more
fine.
times,
It's
and then
fine. No, it's fine, Neha. We
it's
can
fine.
go ahead. Yes, yes. And I
चलो,
think you
तो
need to show the end part, how to end it and how to just give the finishing look.
well, you want me to do that because there's nothing in that, because let's say
Okay.
this is the end.
Yeah.
Okay, let's say we are ending it here. This is our desired length.
Right.
We'll have to just cut the extra fabric
Right.
and just fold it and stitch it, hand tuck it. That's it. Because
Okay.
this is, I mean, this is what I have done here. See,
Okay.
जो भी
And how
last में
that
fabric
black
बचा,
black वाली जो rope है उसको कब डाला है आपने?
हाँ, ये मैंने जब मेरा, when I am done with my desired length of my necklace,
Right.
then I attach. I'll show you all how to make this rope also, because
Okay.
ये भी handmade rope है. And
Okay.
अभी हम राखी में भी यही use करेंगे. So this
Okay.
is also handmade. So
Okay.
we'll make this rope. I made this rope. I again hand tuck it on the back side, and I hand tuck it in such a way and covered it with the leftover fabric in such a way कि ये इतना neat आए.
Okay.
Can you see?
Yeah, because it's
So
very
it's
nicely
not
done and it's very finished look actually. That is why I'm asking
thank you.
how to
Because
how to give this look to our necklace.
it's very easy. You just have
Okay.
to be neat at your work.
Right.
There's no rocket science in this. It's very
Yeah.
easily done. Okay,
Yeah.
now I'll show you. Okay, so everybody is done with these knots. Should I
Yes.
switch to the another one?
Yes, of
Okay.
course.
Okay, so I'll just show you an example so that you'll get an idea. Okay, so this everyone can see.
Yeah.
I mean, I'll show you both so you'll know the difference.
Yeah.
This is like a straight thing, right?
Yes.
ये straight है ना? And
Mhm.
ये देखिए, ये जैसे DNA दिखाते हैं
हाँ.
Science Channel में, ये
Right.
twisted है.
Twisted.
Okay. If you want, I'll do this one, but trust me, it's the same knot. I'll
Okay.
do it for you,
Okay.
but it's the same knot. बस फर्क क्या है? Again देखिए, इसमें भी, is it visible, शीतल?
Yes, of course.
दिख रहा है ना?
Absolutely.
हाँ.
Yeah.
So इसमें भी देखिए जो desired length है फैब्रिक की, जो अगर सपोज मुझे इतना लंबा नेकलेस बनाना है, वो छोटा रखा है बीच में मैंने,
Right.
और जो साइड वाले दो हैं, they are like at least 4 times longer than this one.
Right.
Okay, and this is the same knot. हमने ऐसे ऊपर रखा, यहाँ से लेके गए, and नीचे से इसको हमने लूप से निकाल लिया. Okay,
Right.
it's the same thing, बस इसमें difference क्या है? The knot is the same.
Yeah.
But हम लोग जो पहला मैंने आपको दिखाया था, what we were doing when we were starting from this point, and then and the second knot we were doing it from the opposite side.
Yes.
If you want to achieve something like this twisted, all you have to do is you have to keep doing on one side.
Okay.
Got it?
Right.
So again, if you go for a loop break or something, इसमें जो उठा हुआ साइड है, उस
Right.
साइड से नहीं करना है.
नहीं करना है, दूसरी साइड से
नहीं करना है. So
Right, right.
दूसरी साइड से करना है. It's the same thing again. A 4 kind of a thing we have made. This goes over, और ये दोनों के नीचे से जाते हुए, and this loop से it will come out. Okay.
Right.
So you'll continue doing this.
Okay.
From one side. Oopsie. And you'll end up achieving like this.
Like
I don't
this.
need to go on to show you this.
Yes, of course.
You all get, because it's the same knot.
Right.
Now I'll show you one very fun knot, and kids love this one. I don't know for some bizarre reason why, but I've seen kids loving this knot.
Okay.
इसमें कुछ नहीं है, same size के दोनों fabric रखने हैं, but दो अलग colors में होने चाहिए.
Okay.
Okay. So इसमें क्या करना है? One is your tying fabric, one is your running fabric. So
Right.
again इसमें कुछ नहीं है, ऊपर ऐसे रखा, okay, और
Right.
बस नीचे से ऐसे इस लूप से निकाल लिया.
Right.
This is your knot. ठीक है?
Okay.
Now पहले हमने ब्लू किया, अब हम ऑरेंज करेंगे. ऊपर रखा,
Okay.
और इधर लूप से इसे वापस निकाल लिया.
Right.
Okay. नाउ अगेन ब्लू को ऊपर रखा और इसे ऐसे लूप से बाहर निकाल लिया. So I think it gives a very beautiful color and texture, although sadly I don't have any necklace or belt to show you.
Okay.
But this looks awesome, you know. कुछ अगर आपको कुछ interesting बनाना है अगर, तो ये बहुत ही प्यारा लगता है बनने के बाद. You can, I remember, sadly I don't have it, but I remember I had made a purse ka belt, the whole belt of a purse using this style, and it looks amazing.
Yeah,
so
so
I'll just
Keshri
show
is
you.
writing this one is the best.
This is the easiest.
This is
Can
the
you see?
easiest actually.
अच्छा, तो बच्चों के अलावा बड़ों को भी ये पसंद आ रहा है.
Actually, you have taken the two contrast color now, so it is looking beautiful.
That's right.
Yes.
This knot looks amazing only with two colors, and kids love it.
Yes.
And now it's proven that even older people like it.
Yes.
So
Right.
should we switch back to? I mean, should we go to Rakhi making? Or
yes,
anybody wants to see my face?
You can show your face once, Neha. Yes.
Okay. Makeup good?
Yes, makeup good. Yes. And it was a nice learning actually, because even I wanted to make one macrame plant holder. So I can even use the jute rope now, because I was just finding where I can get the macrame rope, because macrame rope is actually a specialized one, right? The original macrame is, yes.
But क्या जरूरत है? अगर आपको हैंगर बनाना है ना, so you know, जैसे मैंने ये 4 बताए ना, 4, so you can take 4 like that, you know, in a row, and you make 2 knots here, then 2 knots here, then 2 knots here, and then you know try to join,
interconnect.
जाल
जैसा,
so जाल जैसा बन जाएगा.
But
I wish मैं आपको.
But one question is there, that we always need to hang it somewhere to make the macrame rope, right?
Yes. मैंने जैसे कैसे इसमें आप यहाँ पे बांधा हुआ है. You can have a clip or something, या डाइनिंग टेबल के ऊपर अगर जगह है जहाँ पे आप कोई हैंगर या कुछ लगा सकते हैं. डोर के हैंडल में, you know, some जुगाड़ you have to do.
कहीं भी, मतलब इसको पहले हैंग करना है, टांगना है, उसके बाद हम लोग बना सकते हैं.
लेकिन जैसे मैंने ये किया ना, आप ऐसे भी कर सकते हो.
ये जैसे very nice idea.
Very nice idea. कुछ भी नहीं है तो आप पैरों में आराम से टीवी देखते देखते पैरों में बांध के करो. I mean, करने वाले सब कर लेते हैं.
सब कुछ कर लेते हैं. Very true.
सब कर लेते हैं. कोई difficult. I mean, as long as you really want to do it, as long as you really want to use these chindis to make Rakhi, you can do it.
You can do anything. Yes.
Exactly.
So for the first time, I'm not getting any questions, Neha, but all the compliments on the chat box. So it's a nice feeling for me too, that you are so clear in your explanation that no one is asking anything, but they are just appreciating.
Keep the compliments coming. I love.
Yeah, they will do.
Okay, I'll just this thing for the Rakhi. Okay.
So Rakhi is actually round the corner. It is coming up in the month of August. So it's actually very nice time to show Rakhi making.
To show Rakhi making,
because we always advocate for the slow fashion, and we always advocate for the reuse, reduce and recycle. So this is actually the best part that has been done in this session.
And I introduced this fabric Rakhi last year, and you know, I got very good response. I actually got people actually called me कि भाई मेरे लिए भी बना दो. So you know, and it was so nice to see kids wearing those Rakhis, and they were not ready to, you know, take it off, because मैंने सबको बोला था बाद में ऐसे आप ऐसे ब्रोचेस बना सकते हो राखी बाद में जब ना बच्चे बोर हो जाए. बट बच्चों ने 3 4 दिन तक
उतारे नहीं है. अच्छा, wow. Otherwise the boys used to just cut the Rakhi thread by evening only. Yeah, they do not want to just tie it.
ये देखो, ये भी राखी थी और बाद में इसको रीयूज करके ऐसे टसल बना लिया हमने.
Yes, very nice.
Can you see? Yeah.
Yes.
So okay.
Perfect.
So now tell me,
So
मैंने ये ऐसे ब्रो लिखा है, जैसे इस पे मैंने यो लिखा था. You know, I'm a little modern Indian woman. Yo, और इसमें लिखा है bro.
Okay.
So ये मैंने ऑलरेडी एम्ब्रॉयडरी करके रखा है. इट्स अ सिंपल स्टेम स्टिच, कोई ऐसा बड़ी बात नहीं है. सो व्हिच वन यू वांट मी टू मेक? ये वाली बना के दिखाऊं कि ये वाली बना के दिखाऊं? ऐसी वाली. या दोनों चाहिए आप लोगों को?
पहले तो मुझे लगता है ये वाली ही दिखाइए जिसमें फैब्रिक यूज किया है, बिकॉज सी इफ
ये
यू
भी
हैव।
फैब्रिक ही है, ये भी
अच्छा,
फैब्रिक ही है ना, ये भी फैब्रिक से ही
ओके
बनाया हुआ है,
ओके।
ये भी ब्लाउज का
If you
wait,
can
I'll
show
just
both
open.
the things, it's fine. It's
या
actually
श्योर, ये
all
भी
of us
देखो,
are
ये
interesting.
मैंने ये ब्लाउज का बचा हुआ फैब्रिक था,
Okay.
और उसी को बस मैंने मतलब टाइम बचाने के लिए मैंने उसको ऐसे फोल्ड करके
Fold
रखा
कर
था,
दिया,
अदरवाइज
okay.
ये हाथ से एम्ब्रॉयडरी
Yeah,
भी
so
हाथ से
round
करके
one के
रखा हुआ।
लिए votes आ रहे हैं नेहा.
अच्छा,
Everyone
राउंड
is,
वन, ओके
yes.
फाइन,
Okay, so first
ठीक
we
है।
will go
सो
with the round one.
अगेन, ओके, फॉर राउंड वन यू कैन यूज अ बैंगल और समथिंग, कुछ भी आप ले सकते हैं ऐसे सर्कल बनाने के लिए।
Right.
ये मैंने बना काट के रखा था जस्ट टू सेव टाइम, बिकॉज एज यू कैन सी 1 घंटा ऑलरेडी हो चुका है।
हो चुका है, yes, yes.
So exactly, so मैंने ये काट के रखा था, so this I don't think so I need to show you how
Yes,
to
yes,
cut
of
it.
course not. Yes.
And the second piece which will go over it, वो slightly छोटा है इससे, नीचे वाले से,
Right.
okay?
Right.
So this much I think those who are interested, they know how to do it, not a
Yeah.
big deal.
And you
All
have
right,
made cuts on the edges of the circle.
I have,
Yeah.
yes, तो क्योंकि जो अपनी ट्रेडिशनल राखियां होती हैं वो कैसे उसमें झालर जैसा कुछ होता है ना, you get these झालर,
Right.
so
Yes.
to get that झालर effect I just made very tiny cuts, ताकि
Right.
वो थोड़ा effect दे राखी के
Right.
जैसा, ठीक है?
Right.
Now this is again another fabric, वो ग्रीन जो मेरे ब्लाउज का फैब्रिक था, ओके। ऑल आई हैव डन इज मैंने एक कॉइन डाला था इसके अंदर, अंदर की तरफ,
Okay.
ठीक है? ये मैं आपको खोल के दिखाती हूँ। आई मीन ये दिस इज जस्ट अ टिप आई एम गिविंग यू
Okay.
फॉर इजी थिंग, देयर इज नो कॉइन इनसाइड राइट नाउ। कॉइन यहाँ मैंने रखा था, और
Okay.
ये सारे फैब्रिक को ऐसे करके मैंने आयरन कर दिया,
Okay.
बिकॉज हमको इसके ऊपर एप्लीक करना है, सो
Right.
इट विल बी, सी आई कैन डू इट इवन विदाउट द आयरन, कॉइन रख के आयरन करे बगैर भी मैं कर सकती हूँ, बट for those who are doing it for the very first time, they might not be able to achieve something like this.
The perfect round shape.
The perfect round shape, ठीक है?
Yes.
So इसके लिए ये मैं आपको सिर्फ एक टिप दे रही हूँ। So
Right.
from the back side, ये कुछ इस तरह से हमने इसे मोड़ के रख दिया। Got it?
Yes.
क्योंकि आयरन किया था तो ये ऑलरेडी कुछ एक राउंड शेप अचीव हो गया है, काइंड ऑफ राउंड, है ना? So now we'll start. Okay, ये मैंने धागा बना के रखा है। I'll finish the Rakhi first and then I'll show you how to make this dhaga.
Right.
All right?
Right.
This I've used anchor threads. This is visible, Sheetal?
Yes, yes, absolutely visible.
Yeah. So ये जो नीचे वाला जो बड़ा हमने गोल्डन फैब्रिक काटा था, उसके ऊपर हम ये राखी कुछ अंदाजा ले लेंगे कि आधा कहाँ पे आ रहा है.
Right.
So it's coming somewhere over here.
Right.
Okay. And we'll make small tucks ताकि ये निकले नहीं. Okay. Because since we are talking about slow fashion, we'll avoid using glue or anything like that.
Yes.
जो भी हमें करना है सुई धागे और फैब्रिक जितना हो
से
सके हम वही यूज करेंगे.
Yes.
Now अब ये सिक्योर्ड रहे और धागा निकले नहीं, इसके लिए I'm like doing it this way. Now ऊपर वाला जो फैब्रिक है.
Okay, so Arya is asking, can we cut 3 green vibes of cloth and attach so that it will be thick if we can't do the actually Arya, you should write a little the spellings.
I think she's asking कि 2 की जगह हम 3 काट सकते हैं.
3 pieces, yes, yes.
आप 3, आप 10, आप कितने भी काट सकते हो, आपकी क्रिएटिविटी के ऊपर है ये.
Okay, yeah.
क्योंकि मैं जो सिखा रही हूँ ये मेरा आइडिया है.
Yes.
मैं चाहती हूँ कि मैं I can only give you, जैसे I showed you that toran.
Yes.
It was a simple idea which just clicked me, right? And I posted it on 3S and somebody came up with a better idea and they made something better than that. So this is my idea.
Okay.
You are free to experiment and आप जो करना है आप कीजिए.
हाँ, of course.
अपनी
creativity use करके कुछ और नया बना सकते हैं when we know the basic one. Yes.
That's true.
Yeah.
So now this is attached, ठीक है?
Yeah.
As you can see. तो ये जो बड़ा वाला गोल्डन फैब्रिक था वो हम नीचे रखेंगे और छोटा वाला ऊपर. And इसके ऊपर we are going to kind of applique हम कर रहे हैं, right? So usually applique के लिए I always say कि ये जो knot बांधा होता है हमने धागे में वो अंदर चला जाना चाहिए. you know, that's how I do it.
Yes.
ठीक है, and I'll try to do it fast.
Yes. So
because
मुझे लगता है नेहा आज
obviously
के सेशन के बाद सबके
हाँ
पुरानी
जी,
चिंदी पुराने कपड़े बाहर निकलेंगे और सुई धागा भी बाहर
every
निकलेगा आज।
I hope so. I
See, हम
really
लोग
hope
तो
so.
सुई
और
धागा लेना ही भूल गए अभी, एकदम ही मतलब सब
that's
कुछ
true.
इतना परफेक्ट आता है और हम लोग जैसे थोड़ा सा इधर उधर हुआ तो हम लोग डिस्कार्ड कर देते हैं। तो एक्चुअली
Exactly.
सुई
I mean,
धागा
हाँ
पहले
जी,
के जब
बोलिए
हम
बोलिए,
लोग
आप
यंग
बोलिए।
थे, बिफोर आई थिंक 30 इयर्स, तो लड़कियों को सिलाई की क्लासेस करवाई जाती थी। क्यों? क्योंकि
That's
अगर
true.
फैमिली में किसी को भी कहीं कुछ जरूरत पड़े तो शी कैन डू इट। बट आजकल की लड़कियों को मुझे नहीं लगता है कि इतना इंटरेस्ट भी है और आता भी है। बट इट्स एक्चुअली अ वेरी नाइस स्किल, क्योंकि सुई धागा अगर आपको आता है तो आप कुछ भी कर सकते हैं।
That's absolutely true, and trust me, it's very therapeutic, Sheetal.
Yes, yes, of
बहुत
course.
लोग इस बारे में खुल के बात नहीं करते,
नहीं
या
करते
you know,
हैं।
वो जो भी कह लीजिए, लेकिन it is very therapeutic. अगर आपका मूड खराब है या you know, if you are like upset, जो कि especially अभी कोविड के टाइम में ठीक है, आप बहुत ज्यादा वर्चुअल लाइफ हो गई है, but still you know, I mean, after a while you feel alone, you know, कितना भी आप लाइव सेशन कर लो, कितना भी आप Zoom meetings में मिल लो, but it is after a while it becomes boring, and you know, कुछ तो आपको खालीपन हो जाता है। तो I think that time, I think if you have these kind of skills,
yes,
if you have these kind of skills, and you know, you trust me, you don't need anything else after that.
yes
क्योंकि इतना concentration जाता है इस काम में कि I guess आपको फिर और कोई और चीजें ख्याल मन में आते
नहीं आती है। या जैसे कई लोगों के लिए म्यूजिक ऐसे थेरेपेटिक हो सकता है नेहा, कि अच्छे से कोई अच्छा गाना सुन लिया, क्या अच्छा गाना गा लिया, तो वो लोग फ्रेश हो जाते हैं। लाइक दिस, कि अगर आप किसी भी आर्ट वर्क में अगर अपने आप को इन्वॉल्व करते हैं, फिर कुछ नया क्रिएटिव उसमें चीज बनती है, तो वो एक सेटिस्फैक्टरी अपने को फीलिंग देती है डेफिनेटली।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल।
या सो दीपिका इज आस्किंग, मैम योर रिंग इज आल्सो हैंडमेड?
No, this is handmade, but I got it from Mauritius.
Okay.
But the person who sold me, he said he makes it himself. So ये Mauritius में मैंने एक island से खरीदी थी. But yes, this is handmade, but I'm not so sure कि ये किस चीज से बनी है या I'm not so sure.
It's a stone, I think. Some stone.
I think it's a stone and it's pure silver.
Yeah.
But I don't know, पता नहीं, मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी तो मैंने ले ली, और उसने कहा कि हैंडमेड है तो मैंने कहा दे दे भाई।
Right. And at the end of the session you need to explain about your neck piece, because your necklace is visible throughout the session and everyone is interested in your necklace. Neha?
You remember the chat we had about you know, having a phone angle and the attention.
Yes.
Now you know what I was talking about.
Yes, of course I can relate it to it.
ये शीतल और मेरा पर्सनल जोक है। शीतल, आप एक्सप्लेन करना चाहोगे? तो बातों में
मैं अपने लाइव सेशन में इतना कभी हंसी नहीं हूँ नेहा, जितना इस सेशन में आई एम लाफिंग एंड स्माइलिंग विद
ट्रस्ट मी। मुझे ना सुमित हमेशा बोलती है, नेहा यू शुड चार्ज पीपल हंसाने के लिए।
ऑफ कोर्स मुझे लगता है इट्स वेरी,
मुझे लगता है हंसाने के पैसे मिलने चाहिए मुझे। That's true. चलिए बातों में हमारी राखी तैयार हो गई।
Okay, wow, it's so easy, it's so simple. Yes.
Thank you.
And what else can we use other than cloth, Neha? If you want to use anything else, like,
see, I mean, my focus is on fabric, but you can always use felt. You can always use. Wait, I'll just show you. Although ये भी fabric में ही है, but I'll just show you an example. ये tassels बनाए थे मैंने.
Right.
ये भी fabric से ही बने हुए हैं, but I use these lace here.
Okay.
So something like that you can use. जैसे ये पूरी की पूरी गुजराती लेस आती है ना, ये वो लेस है। So उससे
Right.
भी मैंने ये टसल ही बनाया है. Like I
Okay.
wear it with my lehenga, or sometimes even I pair it with my saris.
Okay.
But you know, you can be creative and use something like this as well. I mean, for a rakhi, and later you can use it as a brooch.
Brooch
It's
or
up to
tassel,
you.
anything,
But yes, tassel and anything. So you want me to finish this rakhi as well? ये वाली bro वाली भी बनाऊं, because it's the same thing.
मुझे लगता है
I
नेहा, we
think,
are running
yeah,
out of
time नहीं
time.
है.
Yeah, you
Yes.
just need
Okay,
to
I'll
show
just
how to make the tassel. Yeah,
the
Rakhi
thread.
thread. Yeah.
राखी थ्रेड में आपको बता देती हूँ. 1 second.
Because our very special segment of draping sari is still we have
Still.
left. Yes.
Yeah,
so
I
need,
know,
you
I
need
know.
to show that.
So okay.
Yeah.
So I'm just showing you how, okay, take any thread. मैंने इनमें जो राखी में जो यूज किया है, ये मैंने anchor threads यूज किए हैं.
Right.
But you can actually use any thread. It's up to you. ठीक है? ये although I'm not very proud of it, it's a nylon thread, but क्या करें, मेरे पास अभी फिलहाल यही available था.
Sometimes
so suppose
we need to use it.
Yeah, and the same you know, thread I've used in these necklaces.
Okay.
All right. So let's say this is my, you know, desired length. I'm just, you know, measuring it for you. So this is my, suppose this is my, whatever is my desired length, आप उसको दोगुना कर दो. और अगर आपको मोटा चाहिए तो make it 4 times longer.
Right.
Okay. अगर आपको मोटा चाहिए तो, और अगर आपको पतला चाहिए then दुगना, like you know, 2 बार करना is enough.
Yeah.
So I'll just cut it. Okay. So suppose this is my desired length. So मैंने double किया है fabric. Correct? Double किया है ये thread को. And now usually you need somebody to hold it, like एक तरफ कोई पकड़े, but हमारे पास वो freedom है नहीं. So I'm just going to, you know, tie it here.
Okay.
As I
so
don't have any daughters. Board, right? It's a writing board, yeah. वो भी कहीं से चुराया हुआ है. अभी husband का है कि बेटे का है पता नहीं. किसी का तो चुराया है.
Right.
Okay, ठीक है. So ये हमारा, हमने एक तरफ, we need somebody to hold it, but obviously I don't have anybody, and then one end is going to be on this side. Now all you have to do is just twist it.
Okay.
एक तरफ, किसी या तो मेरी तरफ या आपकी तरफ, एक ही तरफ आपको इसे ट्विस्ट करना है.
Right.
And you just keep on twisting it. ये आपको, अब usually लोग सवाल पूछते हैं कैसे पता चलेगा कि हो गया है. You just, you know, ऐसे करके आप देखो.
Okay.
I'll just show you. हाँ जी, ये देखिए, इसको लूज करके देखो तो you know, you'll get to know कि हाँ ये अभी बनने वाला है.
Okay.
Can you see?
Yes.
यही हमें ऐसा चाहिए था ना. Right? Of course ये बहुत छोटा लेंथ हमने लिया है, इसलिए ये बहुत जल्दी बन गया. जब लंबा हम लेते हैं तो it takes time. But you just twist it, and then जब आपको लगे कि हाँ ये twist हो गया, then you hold it ऐसे बीच में ऐसे आप उंगली लगा के, you know, you just take it to the like जहाँ पे हमने बांधा था उधर लेके जाइए, other end, and just leave it. जैसे ही आपने छोड़ा, this is the easiest way of making threads.
Most easiest way, I must say. Otherwise, देखने में इतना सुंदर लगता है तो लगता है इसको पूरा टाई किया हुआ है.
Yes, but कितना आसान है.
You have shown it in such easy way. I must say.
Thank you. Or if you want, you can use these knots as well. जो मैंने आपको सिखाया ना 2 threads से, मैंने कहा ना बच्चों को भी पसंद आते हैं.
How do we secure this, Neha?
बस actually मैं आपको दिखा देती हूँ. 1 second. So जैसे ही हमने ये छोड़ दिया, इसका जो other end है, the one which is in the middle, ये तो already secured है. जो ये वाला end है, you just have to tie it up.
Okay, right.
ऐसे हाथ से
make a knot.
Make a knot, and then ये मैंने tassels खुद से बनाए थे.
Okay.
इसमें again, if you want, I mean, there is nothing big about it. बस आप ऐसे हाथ में thread लीजिए, ये 2 उंगलियों के बीच में, and you just fold it, just roll it. This much I believe is enough.
Yes.
आप इसको निकालिए बाहर, ठीक है? You just cut it. I'm not going to cut it the whole thing because you know I'll end up pasting it. I'm just showing it to you. You can cut the end portion and stitch it together with the thread so that you'll end up getting these
Oh,
tassels.
wow.
So it's no big deal. So it's no
Yeah.
big deal. Everything is handmade. So I
Yeah.
guess
So
we have
Deepika is writing,
finished.
thanks for refreshing my memories. Our Nani and all used to do all this.
Oh wow, that's so
Yeah.
lovely.
Yes, yes.
Now I think we need to switch to the sari draping
Yes,
because
yes.
I
I
believe
hope it's everything is clear up till now. And if you have any questions, you can just go again back to the video and you can just refresh all the things. And if you have any questions, you can just write in the chat box so that by the end of the session, Neha will just clear it. Yeah.
Okay, so should we start the draping?
Yes, yes, of course.
I guess we have covered everything. I think I forgot to show you just one necklace, which is pretty much similar than what I'm wearing. This is again, it's a teamwork made by two. No, actually, this is made by Honey. Only the
Okay.
pendant belongs to Sumit.
Okay.
So she used an old mala. Of
Okay.
course, hota hai na, we get bored of
Yes.
I mean, of course, this one is very light in weight, and this is, of course, heavy because
Right.
there are pearls inside it.
Okay.
But she used a waste fabric and she just tied it up. So
Okay,
maybe we
over
can
the
have a
mala.
different set.
Over the
Over the
moti
mala.
mala.
She had
Oh,
to cut the,
wow.
yeah. So, but
Amazing
she
idea.
just gave a new life to
Yes.
an old mala, and this
Yes.
pendant has been stolen from Sumit. So,
Okay. So by this way,
so I
even we
forgot.
can, if we want to make something color matching and we are not having that color
Yes,
in our accessories, so we can
that's
use
true.
a cloth over the mala to make the color
That's
matching.
absolute.
Yes.
Exactly. And
Yes.
see, when you make something with your hands, you never get bored of it.
Yes.
You always have that sentiment attached with it.
Yes.
And आपको हमेशा ऐसे लगता है कि अरे यार ये तो मैं नहीं फेंकने वाली,
Yes. Of course.
So tell me, should I start with the drape I'm wearing or should I show something else?
I think you should show them something else because your drape is actually visible, and we can just explain that afterwards. Yeah.
Okay.
So this you can
All
say
right. So maybe
show from start.
ask people. Okay. So ask people if they want to learn what I'm wearing or should I just show something else? Okay. So I'm going to show you one drape which is like, which has been loved by people everywhere I go. So
Right.
this drape is inspired from a drape whose name I cannot pronounce. It's very difficult. It's a drape from Andhra. So
Okay.
it's inspired from that drape. So all you have to do is हम कैसे normal साड़ी पहनते हैं, तो how we tuck our saris on the right side, correct?
Right.
इसमें भी हमें same करना है, बस फर्क ये है कि हम लोग साड़ी जब पहनते हैं, so we wear it like this, right? इसमें हमने इसको नीचे वाले portion से ऐसे double कर लिया.
Okay.
So we made it like a half sari. Trust me, this looks very stylish. And every time I wear it, I have to, send my videos to people.
Okay.
They always ask me, कैसे
Okay.
पहना है? Okay.
Right.
So इसको double कर लिया, and we'll just tuck it. All right. We'll go ऐसे ही double fold किए.
So हमने जो border वाला part है उसको ऊपर लिया है, right?
Already जो ऊपर दो border है ना, एक ऊपर border है, एक नीचे border है. सिर्फ नीचे वाले को अंदर की तरफ से fold कर लिया.
Right.
Got it? Okay. So ये यहाँ तक हम लेके आए. इसको हम यहाँ navel तक लेके आएंगे. Okay? And then we'll secure it with a pin. Okay?
Right.
मैं अभी फिलहाल ऊपर से ही पिन लगा रही हूँ, but
it's fine.
obviously आप लोग करेंगे तो नीचे से लगाइएगा. Okay. यहाँ तक आ गए. अभी हमें अभी तक यार हमने कैसे नीचे ऐसे पकड़ रखा था ऊपर और नीचे दोनों के फैब्रिक को, राइट? अभी हमें जो नीचे वाला फैब्रिक है वो छोड़ देना है.
राइट. ओके.
गॉट इट? ये हमने नीचे वाला फैब्रिक छोड़ दिया और ऊपर अब एक सिंगल जो नॉर्मल हम साड़ी होती है वैसे ही हमने रखा है. ऑलराइट? एंड कैसे हम नॉर्मल प्लीट्स बनाते हैं?
ओके.
सो नॉर्मल वैसे ही आपको प्लीट्स, दिस इज हाउ वी वेयर साड़ीज, राइट? We start from this portion,
yes.
We go back and then we make pleats, correct?
Yes.
Same चीज करना है, बस फर्क ये है कि जो पहला हमने सर्कल लिया उसमें साड़ी आधी थी,
हाफ फोल्ड कर लिया है.
Yes, okay. And now you take 5-6 pleats pleats, depends upon your waistline and depends upon your liking. It's up to you. Okay. Now it's up to you कि आपको pleats इस तरफ रखनी है या इस तरफ रखनी है. This freedom I always give to all the ladies. आपको जैसे comfortable लगता है, because there are few, I've seen few Gujarati ladies, वो उस तरफ ही tuck करेंगे. They can't tuck it like this. So I give that freedom to everyone. I mean, you decide how you want to tuck it, and then you see yourself ki how comfortable you are. So your tucking is over.
Yes.
And then जैसे हम नॉर्मल साड़ी कैसे टक कर अपना प्लीट्स बनाने के बाद पीछे से लेके जाते हैं, सेम थिंग वी हैव टू डू. ओके. So this is your drape. Now this is actually, this drape got very popular recently. Sonam Kapoor wore it for one of the IFA awards or something. So this is the drape she was wearing, and this got really popular, and people, all the people were talking about it. But trust me, it's a drape from Andhra and it's no big deal. I can't hear you, Sheetal.
Yeah. So can you show the back side of the drape?
Yeah. It is simple, although
okay.
It might, I mean, it will be like, covered. Of course, I mean,
yes.
You can't have a proper look in this body form, because again, I think I forgot to tell you the story of this body form. This is actually an iron. It's a steam iron.
Okay.
I have converted it into a body form.
Okay. Wow, very interesting.
Sustainable living,
Sustainable living, yes.
Exactly.
So is there petticoat beneath, Sneha?
No. For this drape, you don't need a petticoat. All you need is a short skirt. Okay. Again, even that short skirt is not required. You can just, tie a knot. I mean, in the starting of the drape, if you are comfortable with it. But if you ask me, I always prefer wearing a short skirt. Even in this drape, I'm wearing a, short skirt and underneath the stretchable one, because बहुत से लोग पहनते हैं साड़ियाँ. There are so many, sari drapists who wear their saris without petticoats, but I need something, some cycling shorts or some skirt. So maybe you can call me old-fashioned, but
no, we all are old-fashioned. Actually, this style is very new for us, and I think our younger generation will just follow this drape. Actually,
trust me, this looks amazing, because see, it gives you a look like a gown. You have one. One leg is going to be a little visible when you are walking. Slightly, the right leg will be slightly visible. You might have to do waxing, but but trust me, it looks amazing. I'll show you another variation in the same drape.
Yeah.
Okay. So उसमें दूसरा drape है, I'm not removing the whole sari. I'm just just putting the palla here just for a while.
Okay.
It's very easy, and the other drape, which is a variation of this, looks even better than this one.
Okay.
In fact, recently I posted one picture also on 3S. The drape I'm going to show you in this sari. I think I wore this, the drape I'm about to show you, but it was in this sari. And I got many likes, I remember. You just need to see. अभी यहाँ तक आपको याद है ना हमने कैसे किया था साड़ी को double करके, and then we took the upper portion and left the down portion, correct? And we started pleating. Same thing करना है, बस pleat यहाँ नहीं बनानी. हमें अपना पीछे बैक की तरफ ऐसे ये साड़ी का पोर्शन लेकर ऐसे स्पाइन के वहां तक हमें सिर्फ मेजर कर लेना है.
राइट.
ओके. सो अभी जैसे इसका स्पाइन हमने यहाँ ओके, ये जो प्लीट्स आगे ना बना के we'll measure the spine, and I'm just showing you this way so that people ask me, आप प्लीट्स कैसे पीछे कैसे प्लीट्स बनाएंगे.
Right.
It is possible to do it on your own.
Yes.
किसी के हेल्प की जरूरत नहीं है. So आपने ऐसे नापा, इसको सामने लेके गए, and then you make pleats.
Right.
Okay. So 5 to 6 pleats are enough, because 5 is more than enough. उससे ज्यादा कोई नहीं चाहता कि पीछे weight add हो जाए.
Right.
ठीक है. So ये हमने इसको यहाँ पे we'll just pleat it. We'll just tuck it in here on the back side. So you'll get this amazing, pleats on the back.
Yes, cowl type
And
look.
then
Yes.
cowl kind of a look.
Yes.
And then normally जैसे हम साड़ी पहनते हैं, आप इसको ऐसे. Now it's up to you. You want to wear it with a long top like this along with it. और अगर आपको छोटे ब्लाउज के साथ पहने, then you might have to cover it. It's up to
Yes.
you
Okay.
how you are comfortable. So, and this is, and again in this, I mean, there'll be a good amount of leg visible,
Visible.
but it gives a very page 3 very stylish
Yes, stylish look. Yes, yes.
Very stylish.
Yes.
So I think this is it for this drape. Do we have time to show one more drape?
Yes, you can, Neha, because
any
people,
demands? People want to
members,
see the one I'm wearing.
yeah, please write in the chat box if you want to see one more drape from Neha. So she can continue because we are already crossing one
Ahead.
and a half hour. Yes.
1.5 hours.
Yes.
I
yes.
know.
So
I knew it.
everyone
Okay,
wants
so there's
to,
another.
yes. Yeah.
There's another. This is the one I showed you. That's a mull cotton sari. This is again a mull cotton sari. I have taken out all the mull cotton because itni garmi hai. So
Right.
I just thought, only these saris are giving me soothing feeling. Okay,
Yes.
so I'm going to quickly show you the kashta I'm wearing. I don't know how many people actually saw what I'm wearing. So
Yeah.
this is the look from the front, and this is how it looks from back.
Back, yes.
All right. So I'm going to quickly
so
show you.
You are carrying it
to...
so easily, Neha, that you are not wearing sari. Otherwise, जब भी हम लोग साड़ी पहनते हैं, तो इतने conscious हो जाते हैं कि हम लोगों ने साड़ी पहनी है आज. But you are moving
That's
it like
true.
moving like just a free bird with the sari.
That's true. मैं dance भी कर सकती हूँ.
Yes, yes. So this is the actually USP of this drapes and the sari.
Actually,
wearing.
and I could have worn it with the open pallavi, but I knew I'll have to do a lot of work.
Yes.
I can't really afford to, keep one of my hand busy.
Busy with the pallu,
okay.
Yes.
Yeah, that's true. So you just need to, and people usually find it difficult to wear a sari with a long top like this, but trust me, this is the best thing you can wear with a sari.
Yes.
It makes your life so
asking
easy.
Like, I want to see what Neha is wearing. So Neha is showing the drape that she is wearing right now.
So Pallavi, this is specially for you, darling. Yes. All right. So to wear this drape, which is called kashta, first of all, you have to take the starting portion of the sari, like we always do. Okay. And आप ऐसे, वैसे तो मेरा हाथ काफी लंबा है, लेकिन usually ऐसे नापो तो 1 मीटर हो जाता है, correct? हम लोग ऐसे कहते हैं ना, यहाँ से नापो, middle of your body से नापो, तो usually मेरा हाथ तो काफी लंबा है, but चलो मान लेते हैं ये 1 मीटर है.
अंदाज से हो जाता है.
अंदाज से हो जाता है. तो ये 1 मीटर हो गया और इसको डबल कर दिया तो आधा मीटर हो गया, right? और इसको ऐसे फोल्ड कर लिया तो ये 1.5 मीटर हो गया, करेक्ट? 1.5 मीटर हो गया, है ना? तो 1.5 मीटर हो गया हमारे पास, करेक्ट? तो ये जो 1.5 मीटर है, that will go at the navel. Okay, so this we can tuck it here at the navel, and ये पूरा 1.5 मीटर फैब्रिक हम ऐसे ही छोड़ देंगे जमीन पे. All right, and the rest of the sari will take from the back all the way to the front, and we'll just spin it because we don't want any accidents to happen.
Yes, of course.
ठीक है. चलिए, तो हमारी ये सारी सिक्योर हो गई. अब जो हमने ये 1.5 मीटर छोड़ा था, always remember हमें we have to flaunt the down portion. ये नीचे वाला जो border है, हमें वो flaunt करना है, जो हम ये पीछे आ रहा है ना. So this is the down portion of the sari.
Okay.
So we'll have to start pleating from the down portion. Okay. So this is ये ऊपर वाला portion है, but is it too near?
Yeah, you can go a little far so that we can have a full view. Yes.
हाँ, अभी दिख रहा है?
Yes.
हाँ. So अभी ये ऊपर वाला portion है साड़ी का, and we have to take the down portion.
Yes.
So down portion से मतलब ये हमें show करना है.
Right.
So we'll start pleating, and always remember first pleat has to be bigger. और second pleat से थोड़ा छोटा बनाने का. This is a tip for everybody. हम जो normal साड़ी भी पहनते हैं, हमेशा make the first pleat bigger, and उसके पीछे की pleats हमेशा छोटी होनी चाहिए.
Right.
That way you'll have a perfect looking, sari drape.
Sari drape, yes.
Okay, चलो ये हमारा बन गया. We'll just secure it with a pin. ठीक है. Now this is, as I mentioned, this is not a real body form. It doesn't have two legs. But ये आपको करने के बाद you have to spread the legs, and from between you have to take it. So let's say in this body form we just have one leg. So we are just taking it from down.
Yes.
Got it?
Yes.
ठीक है.
Yeah.
और ये पीछे पीछे हम लेके जाएंगे. And we'll just tuck it in. And that's how you will get a beautiful looking kashta
Yes.
from behind.
Because kashta
Okay.
wearing is very, very in. It's very in thing
Yeah,
right
it's
now.
very
Yes.
in these days. So this
Yes.
is what, if you want, you can have one pin here also.
Okay.
I mean, if you are not comfortable. Okay?
Yes.
So this, your back is ready. Now, what are we going to do in the front? So what I have done, I have pleated it.
Okay.
Okay. So same thing I'm going to do with her. Please tell me, Sheetal, if it is visible.
Yes, it's visible.
ठीक है ना?
It's fine.
चलो, so we'll make, this is normal हम pleats बनाते हैं.
Right.
ठीक है. So normal pleats हमने बना लिए. And then we'll secure it with a pin. Okay.
Yeah, fine.
And then you take your palla.
Right. So in this style, we are having pleats in front and in back both.
Yeah, we have a kashta on the back.
Yeah.
Okay. And this is what I have done.
Right.
So there are two ladies in same
drape. Yes. It's looking
ठीक है?
beautiful. Yes.
So
yes,
if you
right.
can be a little experimental, because I made her wear a kurta today because I knew that I knew people will ask कि जो drape आपने पहना है वो दिखाओ.
अच्छा.
So this is not a top she's wearing. I just folded the kurta.
Right, right.
So I, just to save time.
Okay.
So you can, this drape looks lovely on a kurta like this.
Okay.
And ये side से ऐसे आप निकाल के लेके आओ and पीछे से ऐसे लेके जाओ.
Oh, wow. Yeah, such an interesting
Nice.
drape. Yes, I must say.
Thank you. And इसको थोड़ा सा हम और improvise कर सकते हैं. इसको हम एक jacket, अगर आपने plain कुर्ता पहनाया है, so you can just add a jacket. And the same drape will get a new look.
New look, yeah. So the idea behind all the drapes is that कि एक ही साड़ी को आप अलग-अलग तरीके से पहन के हमेशा नया look कैसे ला सकते हैं.
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल.
Yes,
यही idea है, and that will be a kashta on the back. It will look like this. Okay.
So you are a true designer in a true, best designer in a true sense, Neha.
Thank you so
much. The compliments are coming
much.
up, and you need to go to the comment section after the session. And you need to
I
actually
will,
reply
definitely.
to everyone. Yes.
Definitely.
Yeah,
So I think I've shown you enough. Maybe I'll just show you one or two items quickly so that, we can just wrap it up.
Yes.
Like this is another, leftover fabric ka brooch banaya hai.
Right.
So this is another brooch I have made from a leftover fabric. And this is one thing I forgot to show you. Ye beetroot से shibori art किया है एक fabric पे, and I have made an envelope out of it.
Oh,
So
wow.
ये जो राखी हमने बनाई, maybe आप राखी को इसके अंदर डाल के पैसे और chocolates के साथ और आप इसको एक शगुन लिफाफे की तरह यूज कर सकते हो. And people कागज के जो लिफाफे होते हैं फाड़ के फेंक देते हैं, but this they will never throw.
Right.
So every time my whole idea and the जो भी हमने पूरा slow fashion के ऊपर ना session किया, DIY किया, सारी draping किया, the whole idea is कि every time you are throwing a piece of fabric or every time you are going to a tailor and कि वो जो चिंदीज बचे हैं, ultimately it will go to the landfills and it will stay there for another 500 years.
Yes.
So ऐसा होने से रोकने के लिए आप अपना दिमाग लड़ाओ कि how you can stop that thing from happening, how you
Yes.
can create something new. जो भी XYZ आपके पास
Right.
चिंदीज हैं, जो भी आलतू फालतू चीजें हैं, कैसे उसको हम क्रिएटिव बना सके,
Right.
कैसे हम उसे फेंकने से बचा सके. And that way, it's, I mean, people are already very much aware about plastic and this and that. But I think fashion industry is the second largest polluter of the world.
Yes.
So after oil and gas industry.
Yes,
So
of course.
second largest polluter है, तो कहीं ना कहीं as consumers हमारी responsibility बनती है कि हम लोगों को हम खुद जागरूक हों और हम खुद इस चीज अपने आप को सप्लाई तभी होगा जब डिमांड होगा.
Yes.
So, अगर आप डिमांड करना बंद कर दोगे, सप्लाई अपने आप बंद हो जाएगी.
So
I think yes. So be a little sensitive towards your clothes. फेंकने से पहले 10 बार सोचे, DIY करें, ब्रांड्स के बारे में रिसर्च करें, फास्ट फैशन को अवॉइड करें, लोकल एंटरप्रेन्योर्स जो छोटे एंटरप्रेन्योर्स हैं जो घर में बिजनेस कर रही हैं औरतें, उनको सपोर्ट करें, हाथ के काम को वैल्यू करें और प्लीज बार्गेन ना करें.
Yes.
So I think these
and
are
even
very important.
even with the DIYs or even with the creativity, even you can start your own business with
exactly.
this. Yes.
There are so many business women and there are so many small entrepreneurs जो इसी तरह के कामों से they have started their work. But people need to understand how much hard work goes with when someone is doing a handwork, because लोगों को लगता है ये तो चिंदी से बनी हुई राखी है. All right, आप बना के देखो, पता चलेगा कितनी मेहनत लगती है.
Of course.
Exactly. So thank you so much.
तो है ही साथ में, बट साथ में हम लोग नेचर और एनवायरनमेंट का भी ख्याल रख रहे हैं. बैक ऑफ द माइंड हमको ये हमेशा सोचना चाहिए कि आज कुछ भी चीज फेंकने से पहले वो कहाँ जाएगी, उसका डिस्पोजल कैसे होगा, उसके बारे में हमेशा हमको सोचना चाहिए. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Neha, for this amazing session. And actually, the participants are writing the compliments only and nothing else. So it is the best decision that I had taken कि मुझे last session में नेहा को बुलाना है. So it is actually an amazing session from
How sweet. Thank you.
And definitely, I'll urge everyone, those who are interested in slow fashion, please join the 3S group. That is, Neha is co-founder of the group, and you will get to know many things about slow fashion and the DIYs that she has shown today. Thank you so much.
Do join 3S.
Yes.
Do join 3S and keep practicing slow fashion. चीजों को फेंकिए मत, उसे reuse कीजिए, especially fabric को, और brands के बारे में research कीजिए, support local entrepreneurs and say no to fast fashion.
Fast fashion, actually. So it was an amazing session as the last session of the anniversary celebration series. Thank you so much, Neha, and thank you so much, participants and our followers, for always constant love and for giving constant love and support to us. And they are actually motivators and inspiration that we are finding someone new like you from all the way from UAE, not from India, and showing her talent to our followers. So it is actually, we are privileged to have you on the show today, Neha. So thank you so much, and namaste to everyone. On this coming Sunday, we are having the last workshop of our kids special. That will be by Yahvi Kamalia, and the poster will be released soon by us within few hours or by tomorrow. So all the kids get ready to take a session on Sunday, last session of the celebration. So thank you so much once again, and thank you so much, Neha. It's my pleasure to have you.
Bye. Take care.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
See
you. Bye bye.
Bye bye.